tape that's here. Get it cleaned up. So I'll show you what that looks like. Whenever you're sanding a veneer on a surface like this, you want to be very, very careful you don't sand through. So don't spend too much time on that surface, especially if you have an aggressive sandpaper. Right now I have an 80 grit on the Merca, and it can be pretty aggressive. And if you're not watching what you're doing, you can sand right through your veneer. Your veneer is only a 32nd of an inch thick, so you don't want to spend a whole bunch of time in any particular area. You want to keep moving the sander across the surface. Also, you're looking to make sure that you're not going through the veneer, okay? So you've got to be super careful on this, and also you need to make sure you're holding it perfectly flat. You don't tilt it to one side or the other, or you will just burn the veneer right away, okay? So, gotta be careful. So now I have this whole piece, or this whole panel is ready to be glued. Now I would like to show you, this is our panel for the bottom. This is our base piece. Now we're just waiting on the veneer face on this side, the veneer face on this side, but also you can see that the ends have their veneer already on them. So this panel is complete, ready to go for as far as the face. And this panel right here also has the edge put on, the face here, and the edge on this one. So now we have both of our leg pieces and our base. They're already set and ready to go as far as gluing the faces on them. Now what we just have to do is prep the veneer for the faces to make sure they're just slightly larger than the width and the length of the panel, and then we can go ahead and put it in the vacuum press. Okay, so until next time, this is Mr. C, and this is how you prep your veneer panels, your MDF panels, to receive their veneer. Okay, see ya, bye.